Hey everyone! Welcome to our channel and get ready to say ciao to Rome. I love to travel and this city is one of my favorites. It has everything: history, art, culture, and amazing food. We're going on a quick tour of Rome's best places, from old wonders to hidden restaurants. You won't want to miss any of it. These places are amazing. And I don't just mean from climbing all those hills. So get ready, grab a plate of spaghetti, or maybe just a cookie for now, and let's start our Roman adventure. First stop, the Colosseum. You can't go to Rome and not visit this famous place, right? It's like going to Disneyland and not riding Space Mountain. This place has seen everything: gladiator fights, fake sea battles, even people being punished. Don't worry, it's much calmer now. Imagine thousands of years ago, this place was full of Romans cheering and wanting to see action. It could hold up to 80,000 people. Can you imagine the lines for the bathrooms and the snack stands? They probably sold grapes and olives instead of popcorn, but a snack is a snack, right? Seriously, walking through those old arches and feeling the history is amazing. You can almost hear the crowds and the swords, just maybe not the lions roaring. Next, we're going to Vatican City, the smallest country in the world. It's full of art and history. The Vatican museums are a must-see, even if you don't love art. We're talking Michelangelo's Sistine Chapel ceiling, Raphael's rooms, old Roman statues. It's like walking through an art history book, and you have to see St. Peter's Basilica. This place is huge and beautiful. The size of it will amaze you. And the dome. It's amazing and something you won't forget. Wear comfortable shoes because you'll walk a lot. And maybe bring a snack in case you get hungry from looking at all the art. Now let's leave the crowds and go to Trastevere, one of Rome's nicest neighborhoods. This place is a maze of cobblestone streets, buildings with ivy, and cozy restaurants with great food. You'll want to be hungry. Trastevere is all about enjoying the local feel. Walk through the Piazza di Santa Maria in Trastevere, listen to the street musicians, and get some gelato. It's the perfect place to enjoy the beauty of Rome. And when you're ready for dinner, you're in for a treat. Trastevere is known for its traditional Roman food, so try some local dishes like cacio e pepe, pasta with cheese and pepper, or saltimbocca, veal with ham and sage. And don't forget a glass of local wine. Okay, we've walked a lot and seen a lot, so it's time for a treat. And what's better in Rome than gelato? And not just any gelato, we're going to Giolitti, the most famous gelato shop in the city. This place has been making gelato since 1900, so they know what they're doing. They have every flavor you can think of, from classic pistachio and hazelnut to more unusual ones like ricotta and fig, or even spaghetti and cheese. Yes, really. When in Rome, do as the Romans do. And Romans eat a lot of gelato, so get a cone, find a sunny spot, and enjoy every bite. You deserve it. Now, after a long day of exploring, you'll need a place to rest. And why not do it in style at the fancy Hotel de Russi? This place is popular with famous people, and for good reason. It's in the center of Rome, close to the Spanish Steps and the Trevi Fountain. Hotel de Russi is elegant, comfortable, and has great service. The rooms are big and beautiful, and the hotel's secret garden is a peaceful place in the city. But the best part is the food. The hotel's restaurant, Le Jardin de Russi, is a great place to eat, with amazing Italian food in a beautiful setting. You'll want to eat at least one meal here, and maybe get a spa treatment too. Well, that's it, our quick tour of Rome's best places. From ancient history to modern things, this city has something for everyone. I hope you enjoyed this virtual trip, but don't just take my word for it. Go see the magic of Rome for yourself. And when you do, be like a Roman, eat all the pasta, drink all the wine, and make memories that will last forever. Thanks for joining me, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends who are ready for a Roman vacation.